Hey everyone, it's Mike with liftedtrucks.com. This month's featured vehicle is a 2024 Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro 4x4, and our technicians made this one extra mean by installing some high-quality off-road upgrades. This one features a 2.5-inch Westcott Designs TRD Pro lift kit, 17-inch KMC wheels, and 37-inch Nitto tires. This setup gives us great off-road performance and a super smooth ride on the street. It also features a high-quality roof rack to haul all of your gear, a huge touchscreen display, a massive sunroof, and digital camo leather interior. We also want to show you this cool trauma kit from our friends at Rhino Rescue. When you're out there overlanding, off-roading, or camping, it's always a great idea to have a first aid kit, and these guys do it right. Make sure to check out all of their first aid and tactical gear online. Now with locations in Arizona, Texas, and Alabama, we have over 1,000 trucks, SUVs, and Jeeps to choose from, and we ship nationwide. For more information on this vehicle or any others, log on to liftedtrucks.com.